Currently, Neha's out there improving herself or expanding her knowledge. I'm also growing only, yaar. Growing my best, that is.
Go away. I'm eating. Can't you see I'm busy? How did you find me? Neha must be doing something very interesting, right? Okay, anyways. This is Guangzhou, right? Guangdong Province. Home of Cantonese cuisine. All things delicious. And if you want to find just some of that incredible cuisine, then you've got to come here to Food Street. It's an entire street packed with some of the most incredible, delicious and some not so delicious things as well. So this is some squid in some chili sauce. And this is some chicken wings on a stick. A little spicy and really, really delicious. Okay, I'm going to go and eat some more. But please, go away. Oh, yeah. I want to eat. I want to get a girlfriend.
So, the 4 major street food groups. Bowl food, bag food, cup food, and the favorite of the 4, skewered and served on a stick food. They're all delicacies, but I swear, there's no delicate way to eat them. But hey, when you're hungry, you got to chow. Forget dancing, you got to eat like no one's watching.
Food. A tripe, pork and noodle broth with lots of chili paste. Typically local.
Tripe is the humble pig's stomach and pork the bits we usually eat, so it's piggy soup. Lucky me.
Very chewy.
Like most Cantonese cuisine, the street food stars scallions, soy sauce, sugar, vinegar topped with tons of spring onions. For a snack, try a snail. No, not a snake. Though you can get those too.
Kind of like a mussel. A bit kind of fishy, a little chewy, slightly meaty, a little spicy.
In Indian, no escargot or snail?
There is escargot, but we don't eat. It. It's quite nice. I like.
Tripe, snails, chased with chilies. I'm done with experimental and ready for some comfort food.
Now, I've walked up and down this street. I haven't found a fried rice. I haven't come across a chow mein. I haven't come across a chili chicken or any of the kind of things that we would think as Cantonese cuisine back home. Which means if you want to sample traditional and authentic Cantonese cuisine, you're going to have to come down to the food street in Guangzhou.
Whoa, hold on, back up. Apparently, it's a Cantonese tradition to begin with dessert.
Sweet stuff.
So when in China, do as the Chinese. Where did I hear that? Well, you could say a little bird told me. Hey, what can I say? I didn't make the rules. Actually, I did. I totally made that up for a good cause.
Whoa. First up, little swan. No, don't eat me, don't eat me. I won't eat. No, don't eat me. I'm a nice pretty swan.